Hey guys, welcome to another video. Stick that light on. I've just literally walked in from a ride and I thought I'd record this straight away because it's quite amusing actually. Have you ever is the title of the video. This is my Vlogmas entry for this Sunday. Basically I'm vlogging all the way through December. It's a challenge from the boss. Said, can you do a vlog all the way through December? I'm like, yeah, I can do that. I've done it the last couple of years. I can probably do it a third time. So, a story for this vlog fell in my lap today. Couldn't believe it. I actually couldn't believe it. But first off, before I come to the have you ever, just want to say big thanks to everyone that turned up for today's gravel ride. When I say everyone, I mean everyone. Big thanks to Pete who showed up today. Nobody else bothered. And to be honest, I can honestly say I don't blame anybody at all. It looked rather grim today, and when I turned up at the starting point, I'm secretly thinking to myself, I hope nobody shows up. So I'd have to ride this. It did rain for a couple hours in the ride, but all in all, it was actually really good fun. I had good fun. It was 100k off-road in Lincolnshire, so big thanks to you, Pete, who we got riding around today. From Whittingham Woods all the way up to the Ancombe Valley and back down to Market Raisin. It's mostly road, but there's some nice off-road sections. There's some great views across from Northern Wold, where it was proper off-road, looking west, I guess, towards in the direction of Lincoln. So hopefully got some good footage, which will be in a future video, probably on Tuesday. But as for this video, so I've been cycling since 2014, 9 years, coming on 10 years now, in adult life, I suppose say. And I've never had this happen to me before, and I thought I'd share this with you and ask you whether you have had this before, because I was completely astounded. I kind of speechless. So during the ride, I was going up this road called, I think it's called Whitegate Road. It leads you up to Rothgate, and this is house at the top, and I was the first one to the top of the hill, and I just put my bike propped up against the wall like you do, right? And didn't think anything of it. Got my camera out and started to film Pete coming up, and this guy shouted at me, "Oh, you!" Yeah, and he called me a C word. I'm like, okay. I think to myself, what's wrong? Can't put your bike on the wall there. I'm like, all right, okay, no problem. I'll move it. So I did, and I think to myself, I've never in 9 years of riding had somebody be so petty about propping a bicycle up against which was a kind of unremarkable wall. I just never think anything of it. So have you ever had anybody tell you off for propping your bike up against a wall or a fence? Because that has never happened to me once until now in almost 10 years of riding. It just seems so petty. I was like, okay, I'll move my bike then. So have you ever had that happen to you? Yeah, I've had many things happen to me over the last 9 years. It usually doesn't involve anything mundane as propping your bike up against the wall. Usually it's to do with closed passes and things like that happen to you. You know, you get caught a lot of days, but not something as really silly like that. So I've just thought I'd share that with you. So the subject of this video just fell into my lap really. That's my Vlogmas century for today. I shall see you tomorrow with hopefully some words of wisdom. Comments, questions down below, and let me know if you'd like to share your most interesting stories of what's happened to you on the bike, and if you have had that happen to you, let me know down below. Right, I'll see you in the next one. Take care. Bye bye.